Welcome to Get Active and Play's 8-minute follow-along upper body workout. You'll need dumbbells or bananas and water bottles, a chair or ledge, and some water. Our first exercise for today's workout is going to be 3 sets of 12 push-ups. And let's go. So the way this works is we'll do 1 set of 12 push-ups, have some rest, then do the second set, rest, and the third set. Don't be afraid to pause in between push-ups if you need, or you can also drop to your knees for modification if this becomes a little bit too difficult. I dropped to my knees in the second set and I was able to get through all the reps. Push-ups are a great body weight exercise. Even if you need to modify right now, with consistency you'll be able to get your regular push-ups. Alright, time for the rest period. You can take a breather, shake out your arms, stretch out your arms, have some water, and prepare for the next set. Alright, let's get right back into it. This is what I was talking about modified. This is what it looks like. It can still be challenging, so here you can see me taking a little rest. That's okay, as long as we get right back into it. Remember to breathe. You can breathe in going down and breathe out pushing up. Keep pushing. We're almost done our second set, and then we'll have some rest and get into our last set of push-ups. Alright, we've got our 20-second rest. Feel free to pause the video if you need more time. Alright, our last set of push-ups. Finish off strong. I know you can do it. What I like to do when taking a quick break is just counting 1, 2, 3, and getting right back into it. Well done! We have completed all 3 sets of push-ups. Now we have a 20-second break. Grab some water, shake out your arms. We're still gonna stay on the ground here because we're gonna prepare to get into a 1-minute plank. Alright, our rest is over and let's get into the plank. This can be a really challenging exercise to hold. The time always feels like it's going so slow, but I want you to just hold it for as long as you can. Even if you need to drop your knees, take a quick break, go back up. If you need to drop multiple times, that's okay too, but just try your best to hold the plank. Don't forget to breathe. In through the nose, out through the mouth. We've got 20 seconds left. Are you feeling the burn? Because I know I am. Ready? 3, 2, 1, complete. That was amazing. Well done. Alright, just like the push-ups, we've got bicep curls, which is going to be 3 sets of 12 reps. So grab your dumbbells, or like I said in the beginning of the video, you can use 2 water bottles or even bananas, whatever you have that you can hold, and do this movement. Make sure to keep the movement nice and controlled. Great job. We'll take a quick 10-second rest and go on to our second set. If you really want to feel that mind to muscle connection, just picture your bicep bringing up the weight or the object and really flex and squeeze at the top. For this movement, breathe in going down and out going up. All right, we'll take our 20-second rest here and get into the last set of bicep curls. Last 12 reps, keep it controlled, smooth, and try to get through all 12 reps at once. I know you got it. Good job. Another 20-second rest here, shaking out my arms because we are about to go through one last intense upper body exercise, dips. Having your legs out far will make it more challenging and in just a little bit easier. Make sure the surface you have is stable and in a straight line. My little circle stool here made it pretty difficult and much harder for me, so try to find something that's straight. And remember, it's okay to take breaks, long or short. Woo, my arms are burning up. We're gonna take the full 20 seconds here. I am feeling the burn. Okay, second set, here we go. 12 reps. You got this. Woo! Once again, super challenging. I'm gonna sit, shake out my arms. This is the last set and the last exercise of today's workout, so let's give it all we've got. My arms are really burning. Quick break. 3, 2, 1. Right back into it. The last few reps. In just 8 minutes, you've challenged your body, doing an upper body workout. Way to go. Make sure to follow us at Get Active and Play. You can find even more workouts in our Get Active and Play calendar, and it's only $5 on Etsy.